What's going on, guys? Stefan, S&E's Garage. Today we're here with our 2021 Camry, and we bought a Hoover Powerdash Go, which is a carpet and upholstery spot cleaner. Here we have a paper towel that used to be white, and last night I went to go get my family milkshakes, and I spilled a chocolate shake all over my passenger floor. It went under my floor mat and covered the carpet. So I spent about 2 hours yesterday with paper towels and a spray carpet cleaner getting up as much as I could. Today we're going to try this this Hoover spot cleaner here, and we're going to see if I can get the rest of it up. Like I said, I got it coming out to about like this, so there's still some in there, I'm sure. So we already went ahead and filled this up with the solution. Let's put you on the tripod, fire it up, see if it's any good. So I got the machine on. We're basically going to clean this, and we're going to take a look at the color of the water that comes out in the collection tank. And we're going to judge that by how good I did cleaning it by hand and how well this thing did at getting the rest of it out. Spray some solution in there. Pulling you. Fix that. There we go. Spray a little more here. It was in this general area here. Spray a little of my Meguiar's here. I like the way this stuff smells. It's Meguiar's Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. I used this yesterday. You can see this comes out kind of like a white foam. We're going to spray a little bit of that. See how I make out here. smells 10 times better than it did yesterday. Yesterday you could still smell the chocolate in the seat, or in the floor. Now you don't. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to turn the machine off, and I'm going to get a water bottle with just water, and I'm going to spray that, and I'm going to suck that up just to get the rest of the cleaner out. So what I actually did is I filled this tank for the machine, the solution tank, with hot water, and we're going to use that, spray that on the carpet, and suck the rest of the cleaner out. Spray the water, suck the water out. Sorry, right on the stand. Alright guys, so I think that's going to do it. Let's release this tank. Let's see what kind of chocolate milk we caught. Chocolate milkshake. So you can see, compared to the white on the car, that this thing actually did catch a pretty good amount of stuff. So overall, it got the job done. It wasn't, you know, my first choice. I wanted something a little bit bigger, but this is all they had in stock, and I did not want to have to deal with ordering something. So I'm going to say, yeah, I'm happy with this, and I might, you know, clean it once more, but you get the point. It did its job, got the stuff out. So if you do need a carpet cleaner in a pinch, something for your car, you just want to be able to grab and go, I definitely recommend the Hoover Powerdash Go Pet. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe. See you on the next one. Alright guys, so that's my second wash of the carpet. It looks pretty damn close to what the cleaner looked like when I put it in. So I'm happy with that. We're going to call it quits and call it clean.